Get your ass up now. Stop pretending you're broken forever. If you're still breathing today, your story is not over. God watched you fall hard, but he also kept you alive. People think you're nothing important, but they have no idea. You were built for something bigger. And these next 30 days will prove exactly that. Listen closely right now. This can change everything. Not someday, not later. Right now, 30 days of discipline, 30 days of decisions, 30 days of uncomfortable change. This is the price of greatness. This is the road to your million. And you're walking it starting today. You don't need luck. You need fire inside you. You need clarity. You need brutal honesty. Look around your life. Is this the future you wanted? Or is this just survival mode? You can't become a millionaire while living like a ghost. You need order. You need direction. You need to cut the bullshit. First rule of the 30 days. Clean your damn environment. Your room reflects your mind. Your desk reflects your discipline. Your home reflects your respect. You want $1 million? Start with $1 million mindset. Throw out the trash today. Wash your clothes today. Fix what you've been avoiding. Create a place you can grow in. Second rule, fix your body and energy. You're tired not because you're weak. You're tired because you're undisciplined. Drink water like it's medicine. Sleep like it's oxygen. Move your body daily. A weak body creates a weak mind. A strong body creates fire. Third rule, cut the addictions now. Smoking keeps you stuck. Alcohol kills your purpose. Drugs steal your potential. Every addiction whispers lies. Just one more time. But you already know better. You don't need escape. You need transformation. For 30 days, stay clean. Your clarity will shock you. Fourth rule, remove toxic people immediately. Your life cannot change while you stay around losers. Your crew is your future. Your environment is your trajectory. Some people love your weakness. They fear your evolution. They laugh when you try. They disappear when you rise. Let them go. You don't need their approval. You need your future. Fifth rule, make a daily plan. A simple one. Not perfect. Not complicated. Just a clear structure. Wake up early. Set 3 priorities. Finish before resting. Stop negotiating with laziness. Stop waiting to feel motivated. Motivation is temporary. Momentum is everything. And momentum comes from action. Sixth rule, do what you start. Finish everything you touch. No more quitting early. No more half-done tasks. No more excuses. Quitting is a habit. Finishing is also a habit. Choose the one that pays you. Seventh rule, start building your skill stack. Every millionaire has one. Writing, selling, speaking, marketing, leadership, design, discipline. Pick 2 skills today. Work on them daily. In 30 days, you'll become unrecognizable. Eighth rule, shift your thoughts aggressively. Stop thinking like a victim. Stop repeating sad stories. Stop waiting for miracles. Start thinking like a builder. Start acting like a creator. Start moving like someone who knows where they're going. Ninth rule, upgrade your self-image. Dress cleaner, walk stronger, speak with intention, stand like you matter, because you do. Your self-respect is your currency. Raise it daily. 10th rule, do something hard every day. Cold shower, long run, difficult conversation, extra hour of work. Small discomfort builds big confidence, and confidence builds wealth. These 30 days are not about money yet. They are about becoming the person who naturally creates money. $1 million isn't magic. It's a reflection of identity. You earn what you become, and you are becoming unstoppable. Imagine yourself on day 30. Everything around you cleaner, your energy higher than ever, your mind sharper, your spirit stronger, your habits powerful, your confidence rising, your purpose waking up. Tell me honestly, is this the same person you were last month? Absolutely not. This is someone new, someone dangerous, someone focused, someone who refuses to settle. When you become this person, money starts chasing you, opportunities find you, people respect you, your path becomes clearer, success becomes predictable, because you finally aligned your habits with your destiny. So here's the truth. If you follow these rules for 30 real days, you will already be worth $1 million internally because you will have discipline. You will have clarity. You will have power. You will have vision. And after that, the actual money is only a matter of time. Not fantasy, not dreams, time. Your future self is watching you right now, begging you to begin, begging you to stop hiding, begging you to rise today. This is your moment. This is your chance. This is your reset. 30 days, one mission. 0 excuses. Start today. Start now. Start with one decision. Then another. Then another. Stack them until you transform. And when these 30 days end, you will not recognize yourself. You will not tolerate your old life. You will not settle for mediocrity. You will not chase validation. You will not fear challenges. You will be reborn by discipline. You will be dangerous with purpose. You will be powerful with clarity. You will be unstoppable. You want your million? Become the person who earns it without doubt. Do the work. Cut the excuses. Transform your habits. Build yourself up. Fight for your future. Don't wait another hour. Your life changes today. Now hit like, subscribe right now, and share this message with someone lost today. Let's build this new life together. No mercy, no fear, no excuses.